seems so hard to retain when all I can do is think of your name.
For the longest time, I thought that maybe if I could learn to make others laugh, I'd remember how to smile again.
You took her innocence, Adam!
Some will hate you, but tonight I will celebrate you.
The Artist Lab, a department of the AMDA LA campus that helps foster, cultivate, and support students in the creation of original work. Through a series of performance offerings and workshops, the Artist Lab is an incubator for students to discover themselves as creators, performers, writers, directors, choreographers, filmmakers, songwriters, collaborators, and more.
My name is Emily Meister. I'm director of the Artist Lab at AMDA Los Angeles. Everybody on campus who's a current student, regardless of program or semester, can come out and participate within the Artist Lab.
How are we doing tonight?
It's very special.
Great Scott Robbins, he is here to say.
The Artist Lab is available to all current AMDA LA students across all programs and disciplines.
We've been holding on.
The lab is grounded in process. The process to try new things, discover new parts within, to nourish and grow as an artist and in being human. At the heart, the work generated comes from the students themselves, in their unique experiences.
I give them vague answers just to keep the people ignorant, but lately I ain't feeling it.
Individual identity, and personal passions.
How could I possibly have faith in a world that uses my skin for target practice?
The Artist Lab really gave me the opportunity to explore my creative side and to create my own project. So the Artist Lab definitely was probably one of my favorite experiences here at AMDA.
You know, people will see us and say we're crazy. I'll just say I'm in love and it's driving me insane. You know, I tell you, I hate you, I can't stand you, and you recite to me, lay down then.
We must be the remedy, not the tragedy.
Truthfully, all that you ever feared was being alone.
The artists are the only people on earth
Who know the truth about us.
Some of the offerings under the Artist Lab banner include Finding Your Voice courses and workshops, where students work closely with faculty to develop and cultivate original work through weekly exercises, research, practice, creation, and collaboration.
We never tell waves to stop embracing the shore, albeit how many times it's told to leave, but we forget that love leaves.
Student Vision. Here, students have the opportunity to pitch, develop, and present original performance projects, such as plays, musicals, dance theater works, art films, and one-person shows.
Embrace the art of the world, the beauty within the soul, the truth within the eyes, the stories they never told.
In Project 15, students pitch to create original short-form performance pieces in 15 minutes or less.
And how does
He saw that you called.
So?
So? The man's not stupid, Brian. He was programming the Mars lander before he could even vote. He can certainly figure out that 1 + 1 is...
In the Café Series, students audition to perform individual or group pieces they develop from all performing art genres.
My love is poetic.
Every time we talk, we're talking right.
Finishing your sentence and you always try to finish mine. Oh.
Raise the Bar is AMDA's forum for students to audition and present original dance theater works of all styles.
She goes when it's ready. And I know
and we're just getting caught up in the syncopation of your language. But
With all of these Artist Lab offerings, mentorship is a key part. AMDA thoughtfully curates to the needs and goals of students by providing a faculty mentor to each project.
Being director of the Artist Lab has been that I get to be in the space, receiving, helping provide notes. I'm very much a presence in the room for comprehensive support.
I think that was probably the best we've ever ran it, so I'm proud of all of us for being able to get through it.
I think the narrative for yourself has to be absolutely crystal clear.
Okay.
You are singing and you're speaking, but I don't know who you're singing or speaking to, but you must know.
I never see you ever have any problem having any kind of relationship with the audience.
Right.
People like work for years to be able to do what you just can do naturally.
These mentors support students in their artistry and in how to meet professional deadlines, communicate effectively, receive feedback, and integrate notes.
What is it that makes you start singing?
With this guidance, students can gain the knowledge and know-how to become artistic professionals.
I learned so much from faculty members one-on-one, and it brought me closer to what I want in my career.
I have never seen artists of this age get the opportunity to create not only a unique work, but a work that is fully supported with mentors, with production, with tech, with publicity.
Within the Artist Lab, I'm just very, very grateful.
I'm trying to fight my reality.
They've helped me hone in who I am as an artist, what I want to do as an artist.
By fully immersing themselves in a collaborative process, students develop the techniques necessary for storytelling and for generating their own creative methods.
You've never been pulled over in the neighborhood because your pigment didn't match that of the occupants that were living in.
When AMDA gives you the power to do what you want, you have the power to make what you want out of it.
At its core, the lab fosters creative visionaries and helps students find their own unique voice.
It is such an amazing opportunity to be able to create whatever your heart desires.
The Artist Lab gives students opportunity to develop the skills and confidence to follow not only their individual passions, but to be part of a community as artists and become conscientious citizens of the world.
I'd say do student visions. Climb up the little ladder with all your passion projects. Pitch Project 15s. Dance if you don't dance, sing if you don't sing, and if you don't act, it's LA, and AMDA's a great place to learn. Soak up all the opportunities you have here. If you're not one thing, you could leave being that thing you didn't think you were, and this is the place to do it.